Hello children, Corona is spreading throughout the world. Stay safe. Wash your hands with soap and water frequently. Cover your nose and mouth with a mask. Stay 6 feet away from others. Sanitize your hands whenever you cannot wash your hands. Disinfect the surfaces frequently. Isolate yourself if you are affected from corona. Dear parents, even though you are vaccinated, follow the precautionary measures. Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to language class. In the previous classes, we have learnt how to recognize the ending sound or the last sound. And also we have learnt how to recognize the beginning sound or the first sound in the CVC words given. For example, if I take the word bug, B-A-G, bug, you have to help out the child in splitting up the sounds which are involved in that word. That is, when I say B-A-G, bug, what is the beginning sound that you listen? Help the child to recognize the beginning sound as B. And then after the child is able to recognize all the beginning sounds which you give to the child, then you should move on to the ending sound recognition. Help your child to recognize the ending sound in the words given. For example, in the word ma, ma. What is the ending sound that we listen when I say ma? The child may recognize it as p. When the child is able to recognize the beginning sound as well as the ending sound, then we should slowly move on to the middle sound, for which I will help you in the later classes. Now we shall learn the same with the material and then in the textbook also. We shall learn to identify, how to identify the beginning sound of the words or pictures given with the material oval cards. When I say sun, children, can you recognize the picture given? It is sun. When I say sun, what is the beginning sound that you listen? After in the word sun, the next sound that we listen is a. After a, the last sound that we listen is sun. Sun. Fox. When I say ox, fox, the beginning sound that we listen is f. And after in the word fox, the next sound that we listen after is a. And the last sound that we listen in the word fox is x. Ox, fox. Can you recognize the picture, children? You can call it as a pen, but here we will consider it as nib. Nib. The beginning sound that we listen is After in the word nib, the next sound that we listen is e, and the last sound that we listen in the word nib is b. Nib. Dear parents, in this way you can make your own n number of picture cards along with the words and help your child to recognize the beginning sound, ending sound as well as the middle sound. Now let us move on to the textbook activity. We shall work with the language workbook. In the language workbook, open page number 7, where we have an activity to write the first sound and trace the words. Before starting the book, we have learnt the same with the materials. Here we have an activity regarding the same. Dear parents, kindly help your child to read the names of the pictures given as mat, at, mat, and ask the child what is the beginning sound that you listen when I say at, mat. Let the child recognize the first sound and also help him to write the letter M for sound and let him trace at. The next picture is log, L-O-G, log. Ask the child what is the beginning sound that you listen when I say log. The child may say L. Help the child to write the letter L for L sound and also to trace og. In the same way, nib, N-E-B, nib. The beginning sound or the first sound that we listen in the word nib is N. We have to write letter N for N sound and also to trace ib, N-ib, nib. Lid, L-E-D, lid. Letter L for L sound, E and D, L-id, lid. Bug, when I say B-A-G, bug, the beginning sound is B. Ug, ug has to be traced. Dog, D-Og, dog. D-Og has to be traced. Wig, we call it as wig, W-E-G, wig. Letter W for W sound, ig has to be traced. The next picture is bed, B-A-D, bed. The beginning sound is B in the word bed. Help the child to write the letter B for B sound, A, D has to be traced. After completing this activity, we have one more activity to write the alphabet in cursive. Already child has traced the cursive alphabets in page number 6 and also in the bridge course classes child has already learned how to write the lowercase cursive alphabets. Help your child to complete this work. Y, R, Y and Z, the last letter. After completing the cursive alphabets writing work, we have one more activity, the oral activity to do, that is to read the words. Here we have few CVC words. I'll read the words for you children. B-ig, big, B-ad, bad, B-at, but, B-it, bit, B-ox, box, K-ob, cob, K-an, can, K-ot, cot, K-ap, cap and K-up, cup. Help your child to read the given CVC words. It is well and good if the child writes it in the 4-line book. But the child should utter the sounds of all the alphabets while writing. After completing the activities in page number 7, let us move on to page number 8, where we have an activity to write the first sound and trace the words. The similar activity which we have completed in the page number 7. Dear parents, help your child to name the pictures given. The first picture is can. When I say K-an, can, the beginning sound is K and an has to be traced. Den, D-N, den, the beginning sound is D and N has to be traced. web. W, letter W for W sound and ebb has to be traced. Bun, B, the beginning sound is B. Child has to write letter B for B sound and N has to be, and Un has to be traced. Mop, op, mop. The beginning sound is letter M for sound and op, mop. Mug, ug, mug. Letter M for sound and ug has to be traced. In the same way, fig, ig, fig, and tub, t-a-b, tub. After completing this activity, once again we have an activity to write the alphabet in cursive. Dear parents, kindly help your child to write the lowercase cursive alphabets in the space provided. After completing it, we have one more oral activity to do here. Read the words. I'll read the words for you children. D-ot, dot, D-am, dam, D-ip, dip, D-ig, dig, D-id, did, F-og, fog, F-ix, fix, F-at, fat, F-it, fit, and F-un, fun. As I told you earlier, help your child to read the given CVC words. Also help your child to write them in the 4-line book. Dear parents, kindly help your child to complete the given assignment in page number 7 and 8. Thank you.